welcome to this home builder series of videos about common questions answered briefly. Today I'm going to be looking at house areas, how to create a new house area, add it to a model, and remove a house area from an existing model. So let's go into house areas. I go to my search at the top of the menu, I type in house, just keep on going until I've got something, I find house areas. In my case, I'm going to create a kitchen dining room. I have a kitchen, but I've got some slightly smaller houses and they have kitchen dining rooms. So I already have the kitchen, as you can see, and it already has a whole bunch of house area measurements in order that I can establish takeoff values. I will almost certainly want to use most of these, but for now, I'm just going to create the house area. I click on New and I type in kitchen dining. It will capitalize for me automatically as soon as I tab off of this field. And I can type in a description, which will be maintained in the lowercase. Kitchen / dining room. Okay, so you'll notice that it actually indicated that we have some copies here. I'm going to press the F5 key just to refresh the page, and that takes it back to its base. All I want to do in here is I'm going to add in a couple of measurement types. So in this kitchen dining room, we're going to allow a floor area of tile. So I'm going to go into here. I'm going to copy this from the kitchen above. I just went down there, did Control C. I'm going to come into this. I'm going to do Control V, and it copies it across. And it says, would I like to add this floor tile measurement to all models and lots? As it happens, I don't have any right now, but yes, I'd like to have that. And let's go and see what else we have. I think that I would do a stone counter as well while I'm at it. And then I will go down into here and add my stone counter. And it asks the same question, would I like to add it? Yes, I would. You'll see it hasn't filled in this field here. I'll just press on the F5 button to have that in there. So I'm done. So I've added my kitchen dining area. I want to now push this to some models. So I'm going to click on these models and I'm going to say, you know what, you're allowed to have a kitchen dining room in the Daisy and the Lily model. So I'm going to click on this 3 dots, select more, go into here, I select the second one. I'm going to push these house areas to it. So that's done. If I come out of here and have a look at what happens, I'm going to go to models, this queue here, and I click into the Daisy and the Lily models. You can see over here I had Daisy. Let's have a look at house areas. I click into this, and you can see as I scroll down that I now have a kitchen dining. So that's good, all set up. And if I go down to the Lily, then I can see house areas. I have a kitchen dining, and there it's done. So this part of the system is already built. Now, as I add these models to the lots, then those house areas will copy over. One final thing is you probably want to copy that house area to various items in order that it can be selected. So I'm just going to go back. I could have done it at the same time when I was in the previous part. I'm going to go into my house areas. I click into here. I go to kitchen dining and I push 2 items. So which items are allowed to exist in the kitchen dining room? They can also exist in the kitchen if a kitchen exists, and that's great. But from my perspective, where do I want to push them? So I'm scrolling through my items as they exist until I get to some stuff. So cabinetry, trim, that's good. I'm holding down the control button as I'm clicking on these lines to allow me to select them. And then I will go, this dishwasher is allowed to exist, these 2 stove hoods, and that's it for now. You could add as many as you like. I click on push house areas and it tells me, yep, I added this house area to 5 different records. That's how to add a house area, and thanks for watching.